In this video, we will explore adding attributes to a block parameter. For this example, a parameter will be configured to create an OS tag using the S7_M_C and S7_XM_C attributes. Let's open the chart called V112 by right-clicking it and selecting Open Object. The block parameter OpenAut is the one we want to configure to create an OS tag during OS compile. Opening the block properties and clicking OCM, then selecting the WinCC Attributes tag will show that the OpenAut parameter is not included in the OS tags to be created. Close the OCM dialog and the Properties dialog. We'll also close this chart. Because this is a PCS7 multi-project, we'll make our block edits to the master data library. Locating the VIVL block that we want to edit and opening it by double-clicking or right-clicking and then selecting Open Object will allow you to edit the parameters. The code of the Siemens block is locked. Just acknowledge this notification and display the parameters as inputs and outputs. If you select OpenAut parameter under the In interface and open the Object Properties from the right-click menu, you can view the Attributes tab. Select the next attribute row. Using the drop-down menu, select S7_M_C. This is the SCL command to create an OS tag. Select the same row under the Value column and use the drop-down menu to select True. This enables the S7_M_C attribute during the OS compile. Click on the next row under Attribute to have the previous row evaluated. Since this parameter is a structured data type, we'll add a second attribute called S7_XM_C with a value of value true. The word value represents the actual input signal of true or false. The word true enables the S7_XM_C attribute during OS compile. Again, click somewhere else to have the row evaluated and click the OK button. Save the block edits. Acknowledge any messages about not being able to edit the code if you save. You can't edit code in Siemens blocks. Close this editor, then select the block you just edited in the master data library. Open the Options menu and select Charts, then Update Block Types. From this dialog, you can select which projects and libraries are to be checked for the selected block. Click Next. After checking the blocks and charts of the chosen projects, a list of updates will be displayed. From here, you can see the consequence of updating and decide to cancel or uncheck some of the updates. Click Finish to start the update. You can read back online parameter values before updating if you want. We'll choose No at this time. When complete, close the dialog and verify the update by first selecting the Blocks folder of our project, locating the block we updated, open it, open its properties, and verify that this is the edited VIVL block. Close the Properties and Block Editor. Now let's check a chart. By opening it, then opening the properties of the block, open the OCM dialog, and checking to see if the parameter is now in the WinCC attributes list. Notice that hound value portion of the open.ot structure parameter. Close the OCM list, block properties, and chart. All blocks and charts in every project and library selected will have been updated.